What are you looking at?
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Oh my gosh.
No. No. Go put it away.
Me encanta para que haga su chamba con la mariposa.
This one is very, very sweet.
The choice is yours.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
High five.
I know you're about to bite me.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
I'll tell you what I really want.
Ну, бля.
I know you're about to bite me.
Oh my god!
厉害啦！你再回去。 Meow. It's a second I get a...
Oh. You're scaring me. You're scaring.
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little...
Okay, come on.
Ben, support!
Can you just back up, bro?
Damn, you got something on you. You just got something.
In nomine Patris et...
Ludicrous! No!
Sit.
It's pistachio ice cream!
Can you hold the fuck? 不好意思。
So if Michelle starts, she gets out.
Shut up.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Wait, this tastes like some medicine.
Oh, it's cold.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Izzy! Are you stuck?
Time until I found out.
This. Oh my.
It's been fixed temporarily, but it's not a permanent solution. Oh.
Shark, you hungry?
Oh, I see it.
She was a fairy.
What the heck?
I'm not picking a fight. Just.
My boy.
You are actually giving treats to Belle.
This family makes me want to murder people.
No, who's gonna make it? Oh shit. No.